Guys, today we're back for episode 2, and what I've been doing each day, I'm going to be doing slash vote, so you get 3 diamonds, 75 tickets and $250, so I'll be doing that every day. So we got ourselves 3 diamonds for our diamond pickaxe. So, and I've been smelting a load of stone, because it sells for more than cobble, so we're going to have a hunt around to find some good deals. Let's start off in here. Sell gold. Nope. Yeah, not many people buy stone, so we might have to do it in the normal shop. Just diamonds, apples. Wait, how much was that iron for? 90. Okay, I'm going to sell all my iron. We have got 33. Let's sell this lot because that's a good deal. You don't normally get higher than 85. Okay, we sold out all of that. So let's just have a hunt around for deals on stone. Okay guys, I'm going to have a look around and I'll come back if I find one for stone. Guys, I'm back. What I have found is 1 cobblestone for $5 and it's normally $2 in the shop. So I smelted a load of this, but we still got a stack and a bit. So let's get rid of this lot. Oh crap, that was buy. Yeah. Damn it. That was stupid. Yeah, I never read the signs properly. Yeah, I've been looking around. You can't really find many to sell cobble and what's the name? Stone. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sell it in the shop. So we have got about 6. We got 8 stacks. So so we should get about 6,000 for this lot. Yeah, that's just for the stone as well. Yeah, so this should be quite good. We should get about 6,000. And somehow I just got a ton of money. I got like 3k then. Oh, that was from selling the iron ingots. So let's sell this lot of stone. Okay. We only got 4 grand this time. So, oh, I forgot that we should have saved some iron for the quests. We have got 4, so we need 2 more. So we should do that. And we'll also make ourselves a diamond pickaxe. Also off camera I made efficiency and unbreaking. I was trying to get silk touch because it literally takes forever to smelt all the cobble and it's extremely annoying. I've had to smelt it like for 2 days and it takes forever. So we're going to get ourselves 2 more iron ore and then we're going to smelt it. Then we'll get our iron pickaxe and our iron axe, and that'll give us another 2k. Okay, the server's going to restart in 30 seconds. Damn. Okay, so the server's restart. I'll come back when that's back up. Okay guys, we're in the mine, so let's get ourselves some iron. I really don't want to get any more cobble because I really need a silk touch pick because smelting all of that cobble is so annoying. It literally takes days. Come on, okay, we're just going to have to mine in a bit. Ah, good, iron, so that's 1. Just need another 1. Yeah, we will enchant our diamond pick once we make it after this. Come on, iron, iron. Yeah, because most of the iron goes like once, like, because it's probably going to reset soon, the mine. Hopefully it does. Because like most of the holes are where the iron is. Oh, that lag. Come on. Yeah, half the iron's probably gone. Let's just get out of here and check out downstairs. Seriously, glitches, man. Yeah, you always get stuck in the blocks. It happens loads on the server. Okay, come on, 1 iron. That's all I need. 1 freaking iron. I never thought this would be so hard to find 1 iron. Good, we finally found that 1 iron that we need. Okay, let's go and smelt this lot. This shouldn't take too long. Yeah, that's what I really need to sell, so I can like go and do other stuff while they're smelting. I can also have like loads of furnaces. Cause like in the little private ones, yeah, there's only 2 furnaces, so it's a bit crappy. They need to change that. Cause I play in another prison server, and you have like 20 furnaces in one little room. Okay, one. Okay, while we're here, let's craft our diamond pick. Okay, good. We got our diamond pick now. That's good. And we have got $1,100. So next episode we should get ourselves a cell, and we should be in E3. How come all my tickets went? I definitely had 84. Maybe it's because it restarted, something happened. Okay, good. That kind of glitch then, it just quickly smelted it. So that, we got enough wood. No, we haven't. Let's make the pickaxe. Then we'll sell that to the guy. Hopefully it doesn't take one of these pickaxes. So, I don't want to throw them down though, in case someone gets them. To be honest, I'm not really too fussed about my breaking pick. Because it's like, I'm just going to combine it with my efficiency. Because I was trying to get a silk touch, but I didn't get it either time. Okay, there's no one really around. So I'm going to throw them down. There go, we got a granite. So we got $1,200. So we are going to head to the tree farm, get us 1 wood, then make our iron axe. Then with our 6 levels, we're going to enchant our diamond pick and hopefully get silk touch, because I'd be happy if we did. So then there's no more tedious smelting. Yeah, because I've been mining a hell of a lot. And before, I AFK'd while smelting. I lost like a stack of iron. That was proper annoying. Did we pick up that? No, that's because that idiot did. Okay, so let's make some sticks, and we will get our grand for the iron axe. Oh, we didn't smelt one. Damn. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I smelt that one. Okay, guys, I'm back and I've got our iron axe. Yeah, I've been trying to sprint, but I'm holding the sprint button and my forward button, and I'm not sprinting. I'm not sure why. If you guys know, that would be much appreciated, because I am going really slow. So this is me walking normally. Now I'm holding my shift. I'm going the same speed. Anyway, aside from that, we're going to enchant our diamond pick with all 6 levels. And hopefully, we get Silk Touch. Well, probably not. 6. Please be good. Wow, Unbreaking 1 for 6 levels. That's ridiculous, that is. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap up the episode here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll see you guys later.